Start. Sir, I congratulate the Honorable Member for bringing forward this resolution. Stop. This is a very good resolution. Stop. Firstly, this resolution seeks to delete the right to property from the Constitution. Stop. Secondly, it wants that the right to employment should be inserted in the Constitution. Stop. Era. As far as right to property is concerned, we are already complaining that the bureaucracy is overriding the legislature and the parliamentarians. Stop. If we take such a step at this stage, if we delete the right to property from the constitution, we will be greatly increasing the jurisdiction of bureaucracy. We would have to carry on our own shoulders the task of looking after the welfare and subsistence of the 60 crores of our people. Stop. It is not workable at present. Stop. It may be workable in some future time. Stop. In principle, it is a very good idea. Stop. But at present, it is not workable. Stop. Hera. Secondly, it is a very good step towards socialism. Stop. Before taking a socialist step, we have to think how far we are socialists ourselves. Stop. How far the 60 crores of our people are socialistic. Stop. Socialism does not mean that we should nationalize the property. Stop. But we should think whether we are dedicated to the society and how many of us think in terms of the society rather than the self. Stop. If we are not socialists ourselves, it would be very difficult to make the entire country socialistic. Stop. What I have to say in this connection is that we can restrict it in principle, but we cannot totally delete it. Stop. It is desirable that we should do something to restrict unlimited holding of properties by principle. Stop. Now there is a general feeling among the people in the rural areas that government has taken lands from them, but it is not doing anything for limiting the extent of properties in the cities. Stop. I think this is a very reasonable thing, because when we could take lands from the rural people, why not we do something about limiting the properties in the cities? Stop. Para. So far as lands are concerned, perhaps the government thinks that because grains are produced on the land could be a sort of factory for producing grains. Stop. I feel that we have been unreasonable in one thing. Stop. We had not gone to the extent of giving a reasonable price to the owners of the land from whom we took land. Stop. The landowners reasonably deserve a fair price and they should have been given that. Stop. Had we done it, the ill feeling among the villagers that government had taken away their land would not have been there. Stop. If we had paid a reasonable price to them, there would have been no problem. Stop. After all, when we take over factories, we pay a reasonable price to their owners. Stop. Similarly, my personal thinking is we should have paid a reasonable price to the landowners also. Stop. Para. Now, these rural people say that properties in the cities should be limited, which is logical. Stop. Para. Sir, the resolution before us aims at abolishing individual ownership of property. Stop. It is a very reasonable proposal. Stop. The last part of the resolution seeks to provide a right to employment to the people. Stop. It is a vital question on which economists of various countries expressed divergent opinions. Stop. I do not feel that simply by amending the constitution we can provide jobs to the people. Stop. For that necessary atmosphere in the country should be created. Stop. Nowhere in the world, whether it is a socialist country or a capitalist country, it has been possible to provide jobs to the people. Stop. Therefore, inserting the right to employment in the constitution will definitely create troubles in the country, and when that trouble will go out of our hands, my friend, the mover of the resolution may plead for the abolition of that right. Stop. Para. Sir, the resolution says that the economic policies should be so regulated as to remove social and economic inequalities and create maximum employment opportunities in the country. Stop. It is therefore stated in the resolution that maximum employment opportunities should be created. Stop. It does not mean that we should provide jobs to everyone. Stop. Sir, the unemployment in the country is increasing at an alarming rate. Stop. So whatever might be the thinking of the government on the proposed amendments to the constitution, the vital question of unemployment cannot be ignored. Stop. I would urge upon the government to pay special attention to it. Stop. Para. Sir, our labor ministry has got statistics about the unemployment in the country. Stop. We have educated, unemployed, uneducated, unemployed and unemployed in urban and rural areas. Stop. Their respective figures are with the labor ministry. Stop. It should formulate an employment scheme coordinating factors like production, consumption and employment. Stop. The scheme should be a time bound one. Stop. It should be implemented within a period of 10 years. Stop. In this manner we can provide jobs to large number of people, particularly to those who are willing to work. Stop. If such a scheme is formulated by the government, the discussion on the present resolution will not be necessary. Stop. Era. Sir, an atmosphere of discipline has been created in the country after the implementation of the 20-point program. Stop. Therefore, if the government formulates an employment scheme, I believe that such a scheme will meet with success in the present disciplined atmosphere in the country. Stop. Era. Sir, the next question comes about the enforcement of some of the directive principles which are our constitution has laid down, particularly article 45 dealing with universal primary education. Stop. Article 46 dealing with protection of weaker sections and article 47 safeguarding the weaker sections from being exploited because of liquor and other intoxicant drinks. Stop. That is why we must ensure prohibition. Stop. These are the directives laid down in our constitution which we have to translate into action. Stop. Era. I have not opposed the 20-point program The question does not arise, but I say that merely the 20-point program is not going to be adequate. You have to go ahead. Stop.